First, we grab the form element from our HTML document using the document query selector method. We're looking for the element with the ID participants form. This form is where our dynamic inputs will be housed. Here's our add input field function, which is responsible for creating new input fields. We start by creating a new input element. We then set the type of input to text, assign it a name of participant, and optionally give it a class for styling purposes. Last, we append the new input to the form using the append child method. Next, we have the remove input field function. It first gathers all input fields with the class participant input into a node list. If there's more than one field, it removes the last one from the DOM using the remove method. This ensures that at least one input field stays on the form. To make the add and remove functions actually work when the buttons are clicked, we need to attach event listeners. We select the buttons by their IDs and then use the add event listener method to call the respective functions upon a click event. When the add button is clicked, a new input field will be added. When the remove button is clicked, the last input field will be removed.